What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Charizard from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the top edge of the nose. We're going to start over on the left side. Let's draw a curve coming down. We're just going to bend that up towards the right. Now let's round at the top and bring that down along the side. Now in the center we're going to add a fold going up and then down. Let's go on top of the nostrils, add a fold for the brow, coming in and then up on both sides. Now I'm going to go back and add in the nostrils. Starting on the left, bend this in and then down, going the opposite direction on the right side. Now it's going to tuck the nostril on the side, curving around and then in, and we'll fill the nostrils in black. Let's go back to the top of the nose and draw the bottom edge of the brow. We're going to start on the left. We're going to go up, and then bend that out towards the side. Go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's draw the lower eyelid, starting back on top of the nose, then it's up, and then out. Let's close off the side of the eye. From the top of the brow, we're going to step in, just going to round this out, and then bend that in. Let's move in and add another curve for the outside of the iris. And then on the inside, we're going to draw a half oval, coming down and then up for the pupil. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's go in between the nostrils, move down towards the tip of the mouth, start with a point. And bend this up and then out towards the left. Go back to the center, go up and out towards the right. Let's bend this down towards the side. And I'm just going to curve this out and then up. Let's add the fangs along the side. Starting from this point, bend this down and in. And just taper the back up towards the top. And then do the same thing on the right. Now from the tip of the fang, we're going to step out and draw the chin coming down. So on the left side, bend this down and then in. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's close off the chin with a curve. Come down and then bend that up. Now just on top of the lower eyelid, we're going to curve the cheeks going out and then tuck that in behind the chin. So let's start on the left, step up, go this around, come down, and then in. Let's move over towards the right. Going out, rounding out the cheek, and we'll bend that in. Now we're going to add the thick edge of the brow. Starting on the left, we go around the eye, go up. I'm just going to bend this in and then down. We'll do the same thing on the right. Going around the eye, go up towards the top, and then bend that down. Now just up above the brow, we're going to add a curve for the head. We're going to go up in the middle, and then bend that back down. And then we're going to place the horns on top of the head. From the outside, let's step in, draw a straight angle line. We're going to go up and then out on both sides. Let's round up the tip, coming around and then down. Now the horn's going to get wider as you come back in towards the side of the brow. So let's go to the left side, angle this down and then in. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Charizard from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.